To make a review on Booking.com, start by logging into your Booking.com account. If you do not have an account, you can create one for free by providing your email address and a password. Once you are logged in, click on the My Account tab at the top right corner of the page. Next, navigate to the My Reservations section where you will see a list of all your past and upcoming bookings. Find the booking you want to review and click on the Write a Review button next to it. You will be taken to a page where you can rate your stay and leave a comment. Rating your stay is an important part of the review process. You will be asked to rate different aspects of your stay such as the cleanliness, comfort, and location of the accommodation. Be honest and fair in your ratings, taking into account the standards of the accommodation type. When writing your review, include specific details about your stay, such as the room you stayed in, the amenities you used, and any interactions you had with the staff. Be descriptive and try to provide a balanced view of your experience, including both positive and negative aspects. It is also a good idea to include tips and recommendations for future guests, such as the best time to visit, what to do in the area, and any local restaurants or cafes you would recommend. This will help others make informed decisions about their own bookings. Once you have written your review, you can submit it for publication on Booking.com. Your review will be moderated to ensure it meets the website's guidelines and standards, and then it will be published on the accommodations page. Some best practices to keep in mind when writing a review on Booking.com include being honest and respectful, avoiding profanity and personal attacks, and focusing on your actual experience rather than making general complaints. By following these guidelines and providing a helpful and informative review, you can help others make the most of their travels and contribute to the Booking.com community.